know if you noticed.
What happened? I blacked out.
I put a 5 in there.
I saw.
You did some good work.
Take you to a champagne room later.
But that was your question, right? I'm so sorry.
I don't think she's asked a question yet. Apologize.
Tone it down, you guys.
Calm down. Simmer.
I was actually wondering about, like, what's the best, like, acting